Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can bring out the photo from the frame into a Canva, right? Now as you can see, we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now we are going to elements and here we have selected this frame, right? Now I have just kept it over here and I have simply added an image into this frame, right? Now what I want is I want to bring this photo out from the frame. So what I will do is I will simply click on triple dot and click on detach image, and as you can see our photo is outside the frame, right? We can also again put it inside by dragging and dropping this image into the frame. You just need to select the frame and then you need to click on triple dot and then click on detach image and your photo will get out of the frame, right? Now let me place this photo again inside the frame, and here let me increase the size, right? I'm also going to tell you one more thing. If you have mistakenly searched for wrong terminology, right? For example, I have just resized this frame and image inside the frame. Now what we are going to do is we are just going to download this image, right? So I am going to click on share and then download, right? No need of downloading. We are again using this same image and here we are just removing its background. We are just giving the transparency to the image which is available above. Okay, now we are just going to send this image backward, the layer, send backward, right? And now we are just going to select this and decrease the transparency, right? Okay, it's done. So in this manner also you can bring the photo out from the frame, because most of the time people search for something and they just simply use the wrong keywords. So that's why I have created both kind of videos. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.